In this video, I am going to guide about how to drop off a Turo rental car. This will help you avoid extra fees and ensure a smooth drop-off process. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Turo app or website and go to your trip details. 2. Review the drop-off instructions provided by the host. 3. Return the car to the agreed location at the scheduled time. 4. Clean the vehicle and ensure it has the required fuel level or charge. 5. Take clear photos of the car's exterior, interior and mileage for records. 6. If it's a keyless return, follow the host instructions for securing the car. 7. Complete the checkout process in the Turo app and confirm the return. Make sure to follow the host drop-off instructions carefully. Report any issues to the host or Turo support before leaving. Your Turo trip is now successfully completed.